Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Photoshop for free, completely free, forever. This will allow you to get the Photoshop without ever paying, so you can enjoy the app. I've done this myself, and as you can see, I have full access to Photoshop. Basically, the way this method works is, I will show you a way to get $1,000 for free into your Cash App, PayPal, or even as an Amazon or Visa gift card. Then, you can take that money and use it to get Photoshop completely for free. To get started and claim the money prize, you're going to want to go on your phone and visit a website called youlovepn.com. Once you get the VPN and use it, they give you a $1,000 money prize, which you can claim instantly. I'll even show you proof that it works. Here's what you need to do. Click on the pricing button, then click Get VPN. Yes, it says $3.99, but I'll show you how to get it for free afterward. Add it to your cart, view the cart, and proceed to checkout. Fill out the details it asks for, and check out. After checking out, you'll see a success notification saying you have successfully purchased the VPN, and the Yulu VPN app will install on your home screen. Once it's installed, open the app. It will look like a regular VPN app, but here's where you'll get the bonus, a free $1,000 into your Cash App, PayPal, or other available options. To claim the money, open the menu in the top left, and you'll see a Money Claim button. Click it, and you'll be able to enter your Cash App tag, PayPal email, or choose an Amazon gift card. Once you enter your info, it will send you $1,000. I'll try it out right now, entering my Cash App tag. As you can see, it's sending the money. Now, let's open Cash App and see if the money is received. Boom! Check it out, guys. We just received $1,000. This is insane. As you can see, it actually works, and Yulu VPN is legit. If you want a refund on the VPN, just go back to youlovpn.com, tap on the Get Refund button, and type in the email you used to make the purchase, and they will refund you. Make sure you enter your email correctly. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you all later.